Welcome to school 2.
Follow me. Follow me now. I'll imagine yourself. Headmaster. This girl wants to join bad gang. She had come to school without an uniform. You know, see your friend Peace. You know, see your friend Precious Junior. They are wearing a uniform. Why are you not wearing uniform? This girl, tell me.
Jennifer, where is your school uniform?
Headmaster, I think the school uniform that is important.
I will squeeze you. Throw it on the floor. Look at this, David. And everybody is looking well dressed. You, the head girl, will not wear uniform. Eh?
Headmaster, was I appointed as the head girl to wear school uniform?
What?
Children of nowadays.
See, you must wear your school uniform. Don't let me see you without your school uniform. Did you hear me? Don't let me see you again. Come into the school without your uniform. Oh yeah, move. Make sure you go to school tomorrow with your uniform.
Oh yeah, Alile, to your class. Oh yeah.
Please, you have to treat the children very well. Please, we have to put it on the notice board that there is a meeting.
Okay, that is true. Because some parents they are behave like they are blind. They will see, but they did not saw it.
So let's prepare for it.
Longest, who no go no. Outings on the beat, who no yeah must hear. Say Ricardo on this one, yeah. When me you there. What? Jesus!
Jennifer, where is your school uniform?
Headmaster, you're not even concerned about the person that is wearing the school uniform. You're concerned about only the school uniform.
Uniform is your identity that you are a pupil in this school.
You're a very stubborn shite. Do you know that?
You must wear your school uniform. I said you must wear your school uniform.
Headmaster, is it the school uniform that is doing my homework, classwork, continuous assessments, and even paying my school fees?
See, I want you to go back until you put on your school uniform. You must wear that school uniform. Did you hear me?
I am not wearing the school uniform, and that is final.
If I see your leg in this place again, go back to if I just see the sandal. Cause see, man say yes, say
cut everything off.
this girl.
You must wear school uniform. No school uniform, you cannot enter here.
School 2, Naja we day.